Get hurt at work. Your supervisor tells you, walk it off. Someone from HR hands you a paperwork you don't understand. Then the insurance company starts calling. What are your rights? Today we're talking about California workers' compensation, and I'm excited to share that Markarian Law is now representing injured workers in these cases. Welcome to Markarian Mondays, folks. I'm John Markarian. For years, we've helped consumers and injured victims stand up to large insurance companies and large corporations. Today, I'm excited to announce that Markarian Law has expanded its practice to include California workers' compensation, allowing us to help employees who suffer injuries on the job. Whether you work in construction, healthcare, transportation, retail, manufacturing, and office, or even remotely from home. If you're injured while performing your job, California law provides important protections. One of the biggest misconceptions is that workers' compensation only covers major accidents. That's simply not the case. Workers' compensation may cover injuries caused by a single accident, like a fall, lifting injury, or a vehicle collision, but it can also apply to repetitive stress injuries that develop over time, including back injuries, shoulder injuries, knee injuries, carpal tunnel syndrome, and many other work-related medical conditions. Another misconception is that reporting an injury will automatically get you fired. California law generally prohibits employers from retaliating against employees simply because they reported a legitimate workplace injury or file a workers' compensation claim. If you're injured at work, there are a few things you should do immediately. Report the injury to the employer as soon as possible. Seek appropriate medical treatment. Document what happened. And don't ignore the paperwork or any deadlines. Workers' compensation claims involve strict timelines, and protecting your rights often starts on day one. Unfortunately, not every claim goes smoothly. Benefits may be denied. Medical treatment may be denied. Temporary disability payments may stop unexpectedly, or an insurance company may dispute whether you were even injured on the work-related position or job. That's where experienced legal representation can make a meaningful difference. Our goal at the Markarian Law Firm is simple: to help injured workers understand their rights, obtain proper medical treatment that is needed, and pursue the benefits they're entitled to under California law. If you've been injured on the job, or if you have any questions about workers' compensation claims, we're here to help. Call me at 877-MARKARIAN or visit our website, markarianlaw.com, to learn more or to schedule a free consultation. Thank you again for listening to Markarian Mondays. We will break down legal issues here on this podcast so you can understand your rights and make informed decisions. We'll see you next Monday. Have a good Monday, folks. Have a great week. Thank you. Thank you.